Rise up and point both hands in Mazha, grasshopper fingers, upward, raising them above your head as you execute a forward intercepting kick with your right foot. Step down with your right foot to form a cross stance with your left foot, while bending your elbows to bring both arms inward from above your head, crossing them in front of your chest. Lift your left knee and execute a forward heel kick. As you kick forward with your left leg, naturally extend both arms out to the sides of your body, opening them wide with your hands in Mazha, grasshopper fingers. Step down with your left foot and turn your body to the right. Keeping your right arm still, sweep your left arm along with your body's rotation, down across the front of your chest. Then, bring your right hand down and, together with your left hand from under your right armpit, thrust them simultaneously to the front and rear. Your left hand should be in front and your right hand behind. Simultaneously, execute a heel kick with your right foot toward the rear right, while looking toward the rear right. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration.